Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee
Sometimes tea.
with Jen and Marcelo.
Marcelo.
So today we're going to be discussing a pitch, the elevator pitch that you usually do for when you're in presentation, stand up. That someone says, "So what did you do?" and you give them your elevator pitch really quick. So someone designed an assistant. So what is this?
Okay, so Pitch Perfect. So I created my bot or agent in ChatGPT4. It is the paid version.
$20.
It's $20, and then we're going to also bring this into CoPilot for doing a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to see how it responds with using the pitch in creating the PowerPoint. Now we know, if you've watched any of our previous videos, Gamma.app does a really good job of taking that pitch and creating a whole presentation around it. What we want to do here is see if the CoPilot does the same. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to open up Gamma.app and I'm just going to create a presentation from there. Or we can reverse and engineer it and
we can figure it out.
and I have a little kitty who decided to join us today. If you hear mowing in the background. Anyways, he might jump up on the table. We might all get a surprise. But anyways, the Pitch Perfect was the name was provided from ChatGPT4 as the title. So I said, sure, why not? I do like the movie too, but nothing in relations to the movie, even though it is a great little series for any of you who've seen it. So what we do here is we're going to ask, it's going to ask a series of questions. First thing is, and these links will be available for you to use. They are free. Our community is free. Our videos are free. So when you wanna be a part of our community, it's free. Go ahead and join us. So what we're going to do is hit create an elevator pitch for small business. All right. And then it's going to respond and it's going to ask a question to be more specific. So yeah, we're doing for a dentist. Right. So we're going to say a dentist. All right. And then, so I am not even going to read this.
Too long.
It's too long. And I'm going to hit A for shorter and see what it will return to us. Transforming smiles with cutting edge technology and personalized care, making every dental visit surprisingly enjoyable. Okay. I don't know I don't know how many of you like going to the dentist, but I am not one of them. But we do want to keep the teeth that we have. So yes, that would be inviting to me, but I know this one likes a little bit more catchy. So let's get some variations on that and see what we can do to help a dentist have a better pitch when trying to speak to new clients or at networking events. Okay. Smile brighter with our dental clinic, where modern tech meets comfortable, ensuring your dental health is in best hands. I don't know if I like any of these. I think I like the first one, transforming smiles with cutting edge technology, personalized care, making every dental visit surprisingly enjoyable. So I'm just going to stick with that one. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then we're going to go ahead and hit copy. And then we're going to say we're done. Now, the reason what you're about to see is my little kitty joined us. What we're going to do is we're going to hit D and we're going to hit send message. And it's going to, I'm so sorry. I meant to say E. My bad. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and hit E because we already know which one we want. And hit enter. All right, so that's going to say thank you for using the bot. And then on here, I have a share link, so you can share it with other people. That'll be in the description below. And then something we took from somebody else that we thought was a great idea. if you like what we did and you want to help support us in creating more like this, you can
drop
always
us a link.
give
a little hey.
Give us a little hey, but not. But
No.
we did put it in there for fun, just to show you what you can do for your because we will be showing you how to create your own personal agent, and these are some things that you can do. You can add links. You can redirect to your website directly. And again, it was just some fun things that we wanted to add on there. So we did do a copy. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into, let's go ahead and minimize. We'll minimize this. Okay. So then what we did is we already have Bing open. And apparently it doesn't like it when I have both items open. So what you would do is you would go in, you would open up the Bing. You would go here.
Just close that out.
You would go to the right, and then it would open up the PowerPoint. You would click on here, and then it would open up this page here. And then you would hit blank presentation, which then opens up this window here. I'll go ahead and close this out. I'm going to put pause on this so I can close out the Google, so that way it doesn't slow things down.
We'll be right back.
Just a moment. Okay, and we're back. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a presentation with PowerPoint utilizing Copilot, and we're going to see how it works. If it can create us, if you've been following any of our other PowerPoint presentations, sometimes it does a really amazing job, and sometimes it doesn't really give us what we're looking for. All right, just a moment, and let's see. We're going to go ahead and hit create presentation. For a dentist. Say hello to the world. Okay.
Put them on the floor.
Here we go, baby. Technical difficulties with our loved ones. All right. So that was fun. Okay, create a presentation for a dentist presenting to new networking.
Yep,
just a moment. Pause. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a presentation with PowerPoint using the 365 and Copilot, and again, PowerPoint. So if you're on this page here, you would log in. If not, you would already have this little wheel somewhere on your front screen. You would hit that. Then you would click on PowerPoint. I do have one already open. And then you would hit blank presentation, which I already did. And then we have that here. So I'm going to close this out. I had already clicked on Copilot, so it just easily turns on and off. That's very simple to do. And then what we're going to do is we want to create a presentation for a dentist. Presenting. Create a presentation for dentists speaking.
Speaking or presenting?
Well, it's saying presenting, sorry. Presenting at a networking event.
Sure.
With the following pitch. Again,
it's not going to work.
It may or may not work. It doesn't like a lot of words, but we're going to give it a shot. Phrase. With the following pitch.
Yeah.
And let's see if it works. It might not. It's a little long. I mean, if it is, we know how to fix that. If you've been following along, the Copilot really only likes super simple. So again, it might be too long for it. If it is, it's going to come back with an error. So I'm going to press pause, and then we'll come right back and see what the results are.
Okay. Well, there we go.
Okay, and we're back, and it actually held, so that's pretty amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to close out the Copilot.
Make my teeth hurt.
And we're going to open up the designer. The designer helps you adjust your pages and make your theme a little bit more cohesive. Let's see if it held the vision. Okay. Yes and no.
Kind of.
Kind of.
Just broke it up a little bit. It's okay.
We want to go ahead and change it here. Maybe not so big in the toothers. The twofer. Let's go ahead and throw that twofer in the background.
That's better.
And then, all right, this one maybe we'll go here. And then, I mean, the theme for the most part it's doing a pretty good job of giving us, the consistency throughout. We can lighten this up a little bit. I mean, we could keep it in that darker theme, but let's brighten this up just to have a little bit of a change up. There you go. Personal care. Cutting edge technology.
That's cool.
I guess you're going to a golf ball. Well, I guess if you take one to the mouth, this could be
I don't know why they did that. They should have done a dentist thing in there.
The pictures aren't always what we want it to be. So,
because you're making golf balls at your dentist.
I don't know. I know that there's the 3D machines for making teeth at the dentist's office. This is not one of them. So let's go ahead and change that picture.
Yeah.
Always right click on the image that you want to change. And then we will do 3D dental machine. Let's see what happens.
That comes up.
I don't know. I'm going to pick the first thing I see and hit insert. Since it's cutting edge, so we want to do cutting edge. All right, there you go.
Sure, that works.
Good enough. And we're going to hit OK, approve. So tech, then, I pushed the button. All right, and then you're supposed to give it a description if it lets me. Oh, click on picture. Control Alt. This is so if you're having it speak to you, we're going to say generate alt text for me.
There you go.
I don't have time to write it all out. Okay, so we will say
just approve it. It's fine. That's perfect.
Approve and close, and now you've got your. You can feel more rest assured that you're in compliance with your
enjoyable. That's not like dentist to me, but
yeah. Well, it's dental. So let's do this instead. Let's.
I would like to get a dental office setting instead of.
I will find you a dental office setting. Yeah. I think they have really pretty teeth, but let's find.
I see one person's teeth.
I saw more than one, but hey,
who's counting? Go dental office.
Fine. Happy dental office.
There, see?
There you go. I can't see, so we're just gonna
go for it.
Oh, there, a happy person.
There.
There you go. Now you get a happy person. There you go. One happy person to go.
Check mark.
Check mark.
And do your auto text.
Okay, fine. I can't read it, but hopefully it will be covered. All right, so we've got some good images in here. That's wonderful. And if you're a dentist, you can put in all of the different benefits of your dental office. The one thing it did not do is it did not give me the pitch. And I don't want the welcome to our presentation. What I want was your pitch, which is that. And then we're going to make that bigger. Much bigger. Much bigger. Right? We'll grab that. Go across. Here. Highlight that. Make it bold. And there you go.
There you go.
Done.
So it didn't hold it like it does in
now, in comparison to the Gamma, and I did say we would kind of do a fast comparison. So this is going to be a little bit longer of a video, but we're going to try to do a quick presentation with the Gamma so you can see the difference between the two. This does give you a lot of really good imagery. I like it. You can add slides. If you don't know how to add slides, just highlight the slide. You can hit Control C for copy, Control V for paste, and then scroll down. You go here. I'm going to go to Copilot, and I'm going to say, when it opens, create a contact us slide.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see what happens. It might take a minute. I'm going to press pause while we wait. All right, and we're back. And this slide was the first slide out of many where it actually created the contact us slide. It was a little image of phones, even though we know everybody's on the smartphones these days.
It's pretty cool, though.
Gave us the call us, email us, and visit us at, which of course you're going to change. Put the picture of the front of your dental office as your contact us. Have your maps, the Google, and we'll go further in depth in all of how to do that. In a future workshop presentation for you. Regardless of what industry you're in, we have covered many here.
Right.
So you have, and we did it on purpose, right? We want you to know that, well, okay, can this work for me? Yes, it can. And there's lots of ways, different colors, different, everything. There's other AI tools out there that are integrated with the ChatGPTs or the CoPilot's or the Bards or the Poes. You've got so much content coming your way that it's like information overload. Right. So don't be Sandy the SOS squirrel, which is shiny object syndrome. We're here to help you get over that. So make sure you join us, like us below, join us in our school where we give you free community to join us and be with other people like-minded that want personal and business development, learning how to integrate your lifestyle and business with AI tools. So here's cheers to you again. Happy to see you. Look forward to see you again here at
Coffee.
Sometimes Tea.
Have a good night.